Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce about the new products on my right hand. This is mop sinks, and let's look at overall sizes first. This unit's entire length is about like 25 inches. Front to the behind is about like 21 inches. And the overall height is about like 11.5 inches tall. So we can see the units coming with the manufacturer's accessories. These are filters. And also this one is small hinge for mounting on the behind to secure these sinks. We can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. For the inner side dimensions, it will be 20 inches in the length and 16 inches in the width. And depth of the unit is about like 6 inches deep. This will be the all information about the units. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.